Lower abs on fire. Just a chair. Let's get into it. Diagonal, in and out. 3 sets of 20. Twist to hit lower abs. Leg crunch. 3 sets of 20. Burn the lower core. Leg raise hold. 3 sets, 30 seconds. Max lower AB tension. In and out leg raise. 3 sets of 20. Control for lower abs. L-sit, 3 sets of 20. Strong core activation. Push day, build strength and size. Barbell bench press, power for chest. Incline bench, build the upper chest. Arnold press, strong, stable shoulders. Lateral raises, widen your shoulders. Tricep pushdowns, finish with arm strength. Push harder with forearms. Start here. Dead hang, build grip strength. Handstand push-ups, forearms under load. Reverse push-ups, control and tension. Archer push-ups, unilateral strength. Planche push-ups, maximum forearm power. Flat chest? Not anymore. Let's get into it. Smith incline press, build upper chest thickness. Cable incline fly, shape the upper chest. Dumbbell press, add size and balance. Low cable fly, fill the lower chest. Pec deck, squeeze for full chest growth. Build powerful legs. Let's get into it. Lever squat, build strength and power. Leg curl, isolate the hamstrings. Leg extension, squeeze the quads. Romanian deadlift, stretch and load. Lever calf raise, full range, full burn.